I saw this post by the founder of Ruby on Rails saying how a $119 mechanical keyboard has managed to bring him more joy than cars that he spent 1,000 times more on. And it perfectly explains why this e-commerce brand right here, Loafree.co, is absolutely winning and just getting things right. So in this video, I'm going to dissect the exact product that he's talking about. We're going to go through their product page and their ads and their marketing strategy and a lot of other things too that are going to be very valuable for you, or at the very least, if you're a curiosity driven person, this might be a good video for you to watch. But first things first, I want to show you, the other day I made a video about the results on this demo store that I made. It's doing very, very well, very profitable, super lean. And funny enough, yesterday I made a video dissecting a different brand and kind of outlining some of the things that we learned from that brand. And interestingly enough, like, these things apply extremely well to this store. And let me show you what I mean. So this is, first of all, the product that guy linked. His name, by the way, is David Heinemeier Hansen. I just wanted to make sure, and he goes by DHH, which is pretty cool. I should give him a follow, honestly. Anyways, this is the product that he's talking about, the Flow 84. Now, this is by a brand called Loafree, like I just mentioned, and these guys sell all sorts of mechanical keyboards. And as you see, they're driving over 480,000 monthly visitors every single month. That's a lot of visitors, right? Even if we just use, for example, this demo store that I have for context, we can assume that they're getting 4 times more sales than visitors. So if they're getting, let's just make it nice and round, 500,000 monthly visitors, they're most likely doing over $2 million a month from these mechanical keyboards. Now, first things first, this is very much a demand-driven brand. It's not a hype brand, although they do a lot of really cool things on social media, and I'm going to show you because they run a lot of ads. They post beautiful posts on social media, very, very well done. They're not like going viral or anything, although they do have some beautiful videos, but you can see a lot of their views are super low, like 2,000 views here and there. It's all very branded, but what they've done extremely well is just build a really solid community and driven or ridden this demand trend for mechanical keyboards just perfectly, right? While creating incredible products. And that's one of the things that I talk about a lot, right? Just following demand is really smart. Supply and demand, right? I mean, if there's a lot of demand for a product, you can be the supplier of that product and capture some of that demand. It's very simple. And then, of course, they do have strong offers. Like, this is discounted. They don't make it like a super flashy offer, right? They're not saying like whole store 50% off or anything. They're keeping it very simple, but that's still a strong offer. That's like 20-30% off. That's a lot of money. And they put on the features here, which I love the simplicity of this. They let you pick between 100 keys or 84 keys, and then they let you pick between, the colors. Now, here's another brilliant thing that they're doing. You can add coverage, so you can get a year of coverage for $10, 2 years for $12, or 3 years for $17. This is actually really, really genius because it just increases their average order value. And this is how they do it. It's powered by X Cotton. So you could add this to your store if you're selling similar products. Then they have some add-on products that you can buy, shipping information, and then boom, they go into just these beautiful product demos that just make the brand pop a lot. It just really gives a lot of perceived value to the brand. So at $119, this is really good, right? Because this feels accessible, but also it feels luxury at the same time. And that's the beauty of this price point. It's still accessible. It still lends itself to impulse buys, but it's also, it also implies really high quality, right? And you can see that implication through all the various little things that they have on their store. I mean, these guys are going above and beyond. This is not just some drop shipping store, right? And when I say that, I don't mean to just talk down on drop shippers or anything, but you can see the level of detail that has gone into this. Believe it or not, though, they actually do ship products directly from manufacturers. At least that's what it seems. So I'm really happy that I found this store, because it just goes to show what I have been saying a lot. I hate using the word drop shipping to describe businesses these days, because ultimately dropshipping is just a method of fulfillment, right? It's just a low inventory model, right? Where you basically just ship orders directly from your manufacturer as they come. That's what dropshipping is. And even brands like this do things like that, right? So the standard shipping takes around 10 to 30 days. That's a long time, right? To get a keyboard, but people are happy to wait for it, because you can tell that these guys care a lot about their product, right? They care a lot about shipping a good product. So people are fine with waiting longer in order to receive that product. And for them, this is great, right? Because they don't have to order all this crazy inventory and just be sitting on, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars of inventory. They can quickly ship things out as they come in, as they're being made, and just have a really healthy cash flow positive business, which, just feels really good, especially as a founder, right? When things can go wrong so fast, right? So it's just really nice to be able to have that cash flow consistently. And that's why I like building stores like this, right? Where it's very simple. It's one campaign for the most part, right? That's just doing a lot of heavy lifting. It's very passive. It's very cash flow positive. This was like 38% profit margins. And I would assume these guys also see very high profit margins too. Now, they do have a Discord, so I love that's one of the cool things about gaming brands that I've observed. They're very community driven, and it's largely because it's a lot of hobbyists and passionate people that are building these brands. So if we take a look at the About Us, actually, you can see, the founder, his name is Tim Chu. He has over 20 years of experience in the electronics sector and as a founder and designer. So he's designed over 150 different electronic products. So this guy's like clearly so passionate about design, and he's passionate about his product, but he's still able to, do this like lean inventory model. At least I think so. I'm not exactly sure, right? But I'm just assuming that based on the shipping methods that they're using. But nevertheless, it doesn't take away from the brilliance of the brand. In fact, to me, it adds brilliance to the brand, because it just shows that he's really smart with, the way that he fulfills orders. I like this method personally. Now, they have a huge catalog, right? Like these guys have added a lot of keyboards over the years. So they have grown a pretty large catalog, but it's actually not as big as I thought. It ends right here. So it ends right there, but they do have keycaps as well. So you can switch out keycaps. And then, they have mice now as well, which is pretty cool. I might look into this. These look cool. I'm in the market for a new mouse. So this one looks awesome. This is my kind of vibe for sure. And then they even have software layers to the keyboard. So they have, all these web applications for their different products, which I absolutely love. I see the future really combining a lot of e-commerce and software, because of how easy it is becoming to build software. And it's just so cool. The future is going to be so cool, guys. There's going to be some awesome e-commerce products. I really am so optimistic about the e-commerce landscape, especially when I find brands like this, and when I find also people that, have built world-defining products also praising these kinds of brands. And of course, this doesn't happen overnight. I haven't built a brand like this. I have no idea what it takes, to be honest, but I would imagine it's just passion, consistently focusing on the details, keeping things extremely simple and streamlined. Let's actually look at their ads now. So this is the next thing, right? I showed you their social media, super clean, very branded, but definitely not like a huge needle mover, right? I mean, they're not getting like crazy engagement or anything. They're not going viral all the time, but they have some beautiful posts. But here, this definitely is moving the needle, right? Meta ads definitely move the needle. And this is actually the best way to use meta ads and build a brand, right? Is keep making these organic posts that are very brand heavy, like brand identity. They look beautiful. They explain the brand. They just tie everything together very nicely. They're also reposting all that content to all short form platforms, which is brilliant. But also they're using some of the best content as ads. It's really that simple, guys. Like posting organically is going to give you so much more output on the ads side of things. So you see they're driving 180 different ads at once. That's what that means, like at once. And some of these you can tell are getting good engagement, right? So this one's nice. Type longer, style forever. Loafree blog keeps you typing for 80 hours on a single charge with its tactile PBT keycaps, gasket mount, and dual control knobs. It's the elegant all-day work companion you've been waiting for. Works flawlessly across Mac, Windows, and Android. Find your fit, shop now. And then they just send you straight to this product right here. This is super cool. So the block is the mouse and keyboard for $228. It's on sale and it looks really nice. So even brands like this, right, they run sales like pretty consistently. A lot of people would think that maybe a brand like this that's so premium looking and so revered, right, they would never run discounts, but they do because it increases conversion rates and it just makes people happy. But you see, they're doing a lot of different things. They're testing a variety of ads. If we look at some of their oldest running ads, I like to do that a lot because these are generally the ads that have stood the test of time, right? They've been on for a long time. So here, when small isn't enough, swap to the big shell. New arrival, bigger shell for touch mouse. From compact to spacious, your mouse grows with you. Catch yours. And this is kind of, I like this underscore here. It definitely is appealing to, like, you know, people that are on computers a lot, software engineers, you know, information workers or whatever, gamers, all these kinds of people, technology enthusiasts. You can tell that they very much understand their target audience. And it's probably because the founder is the target audience. That's what I talked about in this video, actually. So from yesterday, the things I broke down are, you know, simple lander with a strong offer. They're doing exactly that. And think about what appeals to you and or do deep research to understand the market or products that you test. And then take action and test. It's really that simple these days. So yeah, super cool brand. Very inspiring stuff that they're doing. I did find that they're doing about 14 million a year, but I would expect that to be closer to 20 based on their traffic distribution. Doesn't really matter though. At the end of the day, these are all estimates and we're just trying to get inspiration for different brands that we could launch. So if you want to launch your own brand, I do advise you go to shoppylab.ai and access our free dashboard. So through here, you're going to be able to use some of our sourcing partners. So if we go here, let me log in to my sourcing agent platform. So if we go here, you'll find a bunch of incredible products that are ready for you to add to your store. But not just that, you can actually just talk to the team on WhatsApp. So again, this is all free. Just go to shoppylab.ai, go to the sourcing tab, then click on team drop and contact their team, right? They're going to know that you came from my community. And here we can do mechanical keyboard, so that we can just see, you know, there's some interesting stuff already on here. Even if we look on 1688 and go directly to factories, that's pretty much what that is. There's some super cool products. Of course, you know, you would have to make your own brand. Don't copy these guys. I mean, you can get inspired from them, but they're just going to crush you. Like, they're just doing so well. They care so much about every little thing. But nevertheless, the demand is so big in this space that there's just room for everybody to eat, right? There's room for everybody to create a unique brand. And there's so many cool ideas that you can have. Really, your creativity is your moat. That is really the only moat these days, because anybody can build any product pretty much. Anybody can build any software. The only thing that is going to make you competitive is going to be just your own intuition, your own creativity. And yeah, I mean, that's kind of it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I try to make it as simple as possible. If you also want to use a high converting template, like the one that we use here on this store, right? That's converting at 6%, then just use our store builder. It's also absolutely free. So you don't need to pay anything to start these businesses, guys. Just, you know, use the same, it'll basically get you to download the same theme that we're using right here. So then you can install it on your Shopify store if you already have one, or it'll make you a new Shopify account with $1 a month plan, which is the best plan out there. And I'll get a kickback on that because I'm a Shopify commerce coach. So they actually pay me to get people to start Shopify stores, but I only get paid if you stick with your store for 3 months. So it's in my best interest to help you succeed with your store. And I really do want to see you succeed with your store. So make sure that you actually take action. Again, you know, follow these principles, take action always. And I hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this brand. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.